want a little bit of party? Welcome to my house, let's move a body. If you need a place to share what's in your body, want a little bit of party.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is safe and doing well. I'm coming with a quick DIY. I have this glass vase that I got from General Dollar. It was $3. And as you can see, I have a floral foam from Dollar Tree that I cut in half. I've already trimmed it down and added it to the jar. I will be making 2 of these, but I'm just pressing it, making sure that it can't go down any further. The next thing I have is these orchids. Now, I got these orchids from a Temu, and it came 12 for, I want to say they were about $13. So I'm going to make an orchid. So what I want to do is paint the bottom where the styrofoam is. I want to paint around the styrofoam. So I have this container, and I'm going to take some acrylic paint that I got from Dollar Tree in the white. But I don't want it a stark white, so I'm going to add a little color to it. I have some copper paint here, and I just want to add a drop of this copper paint to the white and mix it up. I add a little more white to get it to the desired color. I'll then take the sponge applicator and paint my jar. Now what I'm doing is just painting right to the top edge of the styrofoam. This will take probably about 3 coats because I am doing it on glass. So let's put the first coat on, let it dry. We'll come back for a second and a third coat. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my second coat. And here's a look at my jar after 3 coats. And now I'm going to add 4 coats. And I did switch over to a chip brush. It's been about 2 hours and my paint is completely dry. So I pulled out my washi tape, and I have 2 different sizes. So I'm going to take the larger washi tape, which I've already cut some, and I want to go around the painted edge of my drawer, right at that top, to give it that smooth appearance. Now, if you're out there watching and you're enjoying this type of content, and you're not a part of the Creative Decor family, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and it will help my channel to grow and allow me to keep bringing you content such as this. I then take my thinner washi tape and I go about 1 inch above. The vase is complete. Woohoo! Now we can add these beautiful orchids. Now I do want them at different heights and they're easy to adjust. You just find the space where you want it and bend it a few times and it will separate. My intent was to add moss to the top of the styrofoam, but I had none on hand. But you can add leaves or any other type of covering of choice to cover up the styrofoam. I'm going to take this screwer, I'm going to add it to the styrofoam, and then I'm going to take this zip tie and tie it to the branches. This may allow my florals to stand up. You can add as many screwers as you like, or you can tie back as many of the floral stems as you like. I'm just going to continue adding the rest of my florals in and bending them and shaping them. So this is it, everyone. This is my little orchid plant. It turned out so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and finish fluffing it out, and we're going to take it and put it on display. I think the orchid vase turned out absolutely beautiful. But you let me know, what do you think? And of course I had to make a second. And this is the second one. Absolutely stunning. Now these, of course, they are really pliable so you can bend them just as you like. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.